Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to arctanx of x. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have the u equals to the s over 1 plus s squared. dv that is about s over the square root of 1 plus s squared ds. Now I will show you the technique how to find this integration. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have to u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have to s. Because we have number 2 and number 2, we simplify for the both sides. The square root we change by u. S ds we change by u du. So this one we just have only the u. After we simplify u divided by u. And this one we have u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about the square root of 1 plus s squared. So this one we have v equals to the square root of 1 plus s squared. Now we have u multiplied by v. Minus we have the u multiplied by v. So this one we know that this is about the s over the square root of 1 plus s squared, everything to the power of 2. So this one simplify with this one, and we have the integration ds over the square root of 1 plus s squared. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equal to sin t. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cos t dt. So I will put this one gone here. ds we change by this one. So 1 plus sin t squared, we have cos t squared. The square root of this one we have cos t. Now we simplify cos t and cos t. So we have dt. The integration of dt we have t, and I will put about c. So we need to find the value of t in here. That is about arctanx of s. So we put this one to change for t. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. and I will put about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.